Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Purple, red, pink, blue, brown, yellow, now we will write the alphabet A to Z but in the cursive form. I have so many colors with me. Red, black, purple, blue, pink, yellow, green, brown. Now let us write. A, B, C, D, E, F,
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran
G,
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
H,
looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I,
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, U, R, S,
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
T,
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock,
U,
tick tock.
V,
Hickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock,
W,
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee
X,
buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory
Y,
tick tock.
and Z.
Hickory dickory dock,
Let's read again.
at the clock. The clock struck 6.
A, B,
Hickory dickory dock,
C,
tock, tick tock.
D,
Hickory dickory
E,
tock,
F,
tick
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
hickory dickory dock.
P,
The mouse ran up the clock.
Q,
Clock struck 1.
R,
Mouse ran down.
S,
Hickory dickory dock,
T,
tock, tick
U, V, W, X,
hickory dock.
Y,
Looked at the clock.
Z.
Clock struck 2.
Now,
Away she flew.
let us see
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
what you read in the books. Small letters A. Let us match it with the cursive one.
Barked at the clock.
A,
Clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee.
B,
Tock, tick tock.
B,
Hickory dickory
C,
dock. The bear sat by the clock.
C.
The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Which letter is this?
Hickory dickory
D,
dock, tick tock.
D, E,
Hickory dickory dock.
E,
Bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her
F,
hive. Hickory dickory
F,
tick tock, tick tock.
G, G,
Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
H,
Oh, fiddlesticks.
H,
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
I,
Tick tock.
I,
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Tick
J,
tock.
J, K, K,
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock.
L,
One.
L,
Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock.
M,
Tock.
M, N,
Hickory dock.
here N,
The clock struck 2. Away she flew.
O,
Hickory dock.
O,
Tick tock.
P, P,
Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked at the
Q,
clock. The clock struck
Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and the last letter Z or Z, Z. Bye bye.